Add red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, roasted jeera powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, soya sauce, red chilli sauce, ginger garlic paste. Mix everything. Add lemon juice. Add chicken, boneless chicken. So marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, so we have to take skewers. I'm keeping 5 like this. Okay, we have to prepare like this. This is maida. Take 1 egg. Beat it. Dip this square into the maida. Okay, now dip this into egg white, egg mixture. Okay, dip completely until it coats. Okay, now keep this aside. And now these are breadcrumbs. Let's dip our chicken sticks in breadcrumbs. Okay, keep this in a plate. On the flame, keep a pan, oil. Take it out. Our chicken sticks recipe